In this video, I will show you how to motion track a video in CapCut on your computer. In this example, we will follow the motions of the lead dancer in this sample video. The first thing you want to do is to add a default 0 text that will be the central focus. Click on the plus icon and add it to the timeline. Then, drag the text to cover the whole video. This will help us motion track the dancer throughout the entire video. Next, change the default text to 0. Changing color is optional. Then center it to the dancer's face for easier reference when motion tracking. Now start going through the video and until the dancer's face goes outside the 0. Click on the Add Keyframe button on the right side. Then zoom out the video to give it space for moving. Focus on keeping her face in the center. You can also zoom out the sample video by clicking on the rectangle icon. A slider will pop up and you can lower it to make it easy for you to move the video around. Then you want to rinse and repeat this step by playing the video, gradually adding keyframes to parts of the video, zooming out or zooming in depending on where her face is. If the dancer is constantly moving, then adding more keyframes is necessary. Now here is the final result. Once you are happy with it, you can delete the 0 text by right-click, then select Delete. The video will have the keyframes added. You can export the video, and you are done. Thanks for watching.